The moment the sun drops in Ho Chi Minh City, the city completely changes personality. What looks chaotic during the day suddenly becomes electric at night. Scooters flood the streets like rivers of light. Tiny plastic stools appear on sidewalks out of nowhere. Music spills from rooftop bars, hidden cafes, alley kitchens, and neon-lit streets. And somehow, it all works together. Tonight, we went looking for the real energy of Saigon after dark, not just the tourist version. Welcome to Travel 360 Productions. You haven't truly seen Saigon until you see it at night. Tonight, we followed the noise, the lights, and the smell of street food into the heart of Ho Chi Minh City. And what we found surprised us. 1. The streets come alive. As the heat fades, the city wakes up. Families gather on sidewalks eating grilled seafood. Young locals crowd trendy cafes hidden inside old apartment buildings. Street vendors push carts through intersections, while thousands of scooters weave around them without stopping. The traffic looks impossible at first, but after a while you realize there's an unspoken rhythm to it. Nobody fully stops. Nobody fully panics. And somehow, nobody crashes. 2. Street food. After dark, nighttime in Saigon belongs to street food. This is when the grills fire up. The smell of smoky pork, garlic, chili, seafood, and fresh herbs fills entire blocks. Tiny alleyways turn into open-air restaurants packed shoulder to shoulder with locals. And the best meals? Usually the places with the smallest stools and no English menu. Featured night food locations. Ho Thi Ki Food Street, one of the best true local night food streets in the city. Packed with seafood, grilled meats, Cambodian snacks, desserts, and smoky street grills. Address: Ho Thi Ki Street, Ward 1, District 10, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Best foods to try. 1. Grilled seafood. 2. Bánh tráng nướng. 3. Skewered meats. 4. Sweet desserts and tropical drinks. Vinh Khun Street. This is Saigon's famous seafood street. Loud, smoky, energetic, and packed with locals drinking beer and eating shellfish late into the night. Address: Vinh Khun Street, District 4, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Must try: garlic butter snails, grilled scallops, crab claws, beer and seafood combos. Ben Than Night Market, a more tourist-friendly night market with endless food stalls, bright lights, and nonstop movement. Address: Lê Loi Street, District 1, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Best 4. Street food variety. Night market footage. Easy walking access. Late night snacks. 3. Hidden restaurants and cafes. One of the wildest things about Saigon nightlife is what's hiding above the streets. Old apartment blocks that look abandoned from the outside are filled with cafes, bars, vintage shops, and live music venues upstairs. You walk through a dark hallway, take an old elevator, and suddenly find a packed cafe overlooking the city lights. Featured food stops. Bep Me In, a hidden alley restaurant serving traditional Vietnamese comfort food in one of the most atmospheric settings in the city. Address: 16550 Nguyen Thai Binh, Ben Thanh Ward, District 1, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Best known for clay pot dishes, Vietnamese home cooking, cozy alley atmosphere, Hanoi Kitchen, a casual nighttime stop near the backpacker district that stays busy late into the evening. Address: 3 Nguyen Van Trang, Ben Thanh Ward, District 1, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Best known for pho, bun cha, Northern Vietnamese flavors. Ben Nhi Street Food, an indoor-style street food market where you can sample dozens of Vietnamese dishes in one place. Address: 134 Nam Ki Khoi Nghia, District 1, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Perfect for trying multiple foods quickly, easy filming access, rainy night food scenes, Bui Vien Street chaos or experience. Then there's Bui Vien Walking Street. Some travelers love it. Some avoid it completely. It's loud, crowded, chaotic, and overloaded with flashing lights, bars, music, and street performers. Think of it as Saigon turned up to maximum volume. Even if it's not your scene, walking through it once is an experience you probably won't forget. Location: District 1, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. 5. What surprised us most? The biggest surprise wasn't the nightlife. It was how social the city feels. People gather outside instead of staying home. Sidewalks become dining rooms. Parks become gyms. Coffee shops stay packed late into the night. There's constant movement, but it rarely feels cold or disconnected. Saigon at night feels alive in a way many modern cities no longer do. Conclusion: tonight reminded us that cities aren't just buildings or attractions. They're energy. And after dark, Saigon might have some of the strongest energy anywhere in the world. If you ever visit Vietnam, don't end your night early, because some of the best parts of Ho Chi Minh City only appear after sunset. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great Vietnam videos.